Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can split your text in half in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to select a different font for this one, maybe this one. And I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. You can actually do it with create outlines, so I'm actually just going to do that real quick. Right click, just create outlines. And I'm going to also select a different color for this as well. Where is the color picker? Here we go. Okay. Okay. Once you have created your text here, you are going to get like a line, and you can like split it diagonally or like horizontally, vertically, whatever. You're going to then, I can't even see the line. Hold on. There we go. I don't know why it's not in front of the text. I'll just right click, arrange, bring to front. I can't see this, so I'm just going to make this a little bit. There we go. Select both the text and the line, go to Pathfinder, and you're going to select the divide one. Then you are going to right click and you're going to select and group. And I'm just going to select everything at the bottom. Right click, group. Okay, hold on. I actually selected the L, I think. There we go. Group. And I'm just going to like move it to like either the left side or the right side. It's totally up to you. Now you have the split text effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!